Kublaya P. Baro, Ipdang Snobhaya P. Shakato Kubor Mentaga Janmit, Shwaban Pashiki Kubor, in your Pechwa Yakimat Bakong San. And Yashimbanta Kinong Yalam Chunkiri Bamarjan, Hagaching Shim Smai Unarendra Modi, Kum Umentri Rangbadu Kari. Pantre UMP Batamai Katura Usaleng Sangma Banweng Yakaching Dunakam Hakajala Panjur Uhe ke NPP Ukonrat Sangma Halor Gajing Don Kam Ban Paidien Hakaching Bomla Ban Lebha Chongkaseng Haka Election Lok Sabha An penlong jingalang ke KHADC rengkat bat kinong dan benta ban yatai halor ke cing terkong kita long bat rai kalong kemie nari boy ban syak tangan habandayap hasilong bandawa maramot ya kesurok ki khubor ki babnia Kinong yalam Chunkiri Bamarjan, Kilawan Banyashim Banta, Hagajing Pensmai ya Narendra Modi, Kum Umentri Rangbadu Kari, Haka Pratarik Mentau Bunai, Habaka Sorkar NDA, Hapok Gajing Yalam Kaseng BJP, Kalayo ya Kanam Tam, Hakaba Kalajab Arspa Kandai Polai Teli Kishuki, Hak Election Lok Sabha, Kabakhat Pra, Katba Kalyang Persya, Ka India Block, Kalayo Arspa Lai Posau Teli Kishuki, Kinong Yalam Chunkiri Kepertai, Kensawan Banyashim Banta, Haka Sngi Shim Smai Modi, Bakentub ya Kementri Rangbadu ke Bangladesh, Ka Sheikh Hasina, U President ke Sri Lanka, U Ranil Wickremesinghe, na luar kiweipan. UMP Batamai Natura, Usaling Sangma, Henekasngi Ulakular Bantre na Kabenta Banweng ya Kajingdunakam Hagajala. Habakren Shakilat Patai Kubor Hanong Ba Delhi, Usaling Ulaong Ba Gajala, Kadon Shibun Kisamla, Kibalanang Lastat, Kibom Dan Kam Dan Jam, Ulaban Shushu Bakatanat Puli Puti, Kalong Kawain Kikam Bakmat E. Usaling Udon Menta Hanong Ba Delhi, Ban Pendep Igijing Dan Kam Bakentop Ban Penrung Kerteng Yalade Ha Parliament. National President Jangka National People's Party NPP Ubalongru Umentri Rangba Gajala Ukonrat Sangma Henen kasi ula banjur halor kecing don kam ban paidin hakabaya day bat kecing bomla ban lebha chong kaseng hak election Lok Sabha haba pediang ye kecing syarem ukonrat ula kren darab jat halor kecing bom lebha chong kaseng NPP da ka baong ba manla ki election kilong ki baya pher bat baro ki election layakun halor ki mat ba pher kecing sensyar ba saupong rius nem chong ka long yeng upurno sangma hatura constituency kalakut no hadien ba usaling sangma Naga Congress ula penrem ya ka agatha chong ke NPP da iway point san lak vote.
Every election is different. The issues are different in every election, and the way people vote in every election differs. There are many factors that work in election. So therefore, we cannot compare one election with another election. But having said that, obviously any election and any defeat in any election calls for any political party to introspect, for individuals to introspect. Yes, I would like to thank the people of Garo Hills that for the last 46 years they have put faith and trust in the leadership of the party at different levels, and we have done our best to serve the people.
Menteri Rangba Gajala Ukonrat ke Sangma ulapen paiktien bagi jingkenok bamsap persya ya ko sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kilong ki baklem nogrim habakren Shakilat Patai Kubor henin kasngi Ukonrat ulaong ba haba pensyong nongrim halor ki jing tokit ke sorkar kilalap ba ki jingkenok baro kilong ki baklem nongrim habakeli lakadon ke jingma ya ke sorkar MDA hadien ke jing syarem ke NPP bat ki parlok jongka ha ke election ulaong ba undang mi benia halor kani ke benta bat an sapenlong ye gejing yalang rengkat bat ke BJP bat UDP banyak keren halor kani kaman
Till now, none of these allegations and any kind of based on all the inquiries that have been done, none of these allegations have had any basis. So therefore, it's easy for people to point fingers, but there have to be facts, figures. So therefore, it's not correct to lead to that conclusion. But yes, it's a concern because that's the kind of narrative that has been created. And from our side, as a government, we've always ensured that maximum transparency is there. We are obviously into looking into all the aspects, but I'm very confident. I had a meeting with all our coalition partners. In fact, just now also we were having almost a marathon meeting with all the coalition partners, especially the UDP had come to meet me today. I had met the leaders of the BJP also, and we have all discussed all the different issues.
Usambut Menteri Rangba uba Longru State President ka NPP uba Presiden Tensong ulaong baki haban yet yaladi bat ban penkala ya kerukom terekam jong kaseng kan sa penlongru ya kecingyalang ban kemi bat wat igijing duna ka ba penlong ya kecingkalon ka NPP ha ka election Lok Sabha wat haba ka NPP kadang bat ya kebuar sensyar ha Meghalaya Henry kam syamlala ban bat biang natura seat bat bakalale sniu bha ha ka Shillong seat Kam Hashwa ubat tensong ulah kop ru ban ai da ka ejahar persya EU bat ya ketenat lada ka don kanu kecing bam sam.
We will have a meeting very soon. We will examine, we will review, we will discuss, we'll find out where is the loopholes, where is the minus, where is the plus. Then, accordingly, action will be taken. Because as I said to you, losing election with thumping majority or with a very thin margin does not make any difference. Once you're losing means you're losing. Once you're winning means you are winning. So our party is therefore very soon will sit down, will discuss, will do the research about all this, and then after that necessary correction, necessary action will be taken.
Ka KHADC Shen kan sakot ya kejingalang bat kinong don benta baken top ya kidor bar shenong kihima ban yatai halor kecing terkong kitolong hapo gijaka bakmi da ka council habakren bat kilat patai kubor usembut CEM ka KHADC uba penshingan NCM ulaong ba ka council ka sengukia halor kecing duna ha kibabun kishnong khamtam ha ki ayom terkong.
On this issue, mathanai kaladai ka come very high time nan ta council. Ban khot no shwa tang ICM ki sardar ki nongelam hima. Ban ai ta ka ding tho ka ba shai ki. Ba kinong ma shu ban pom kila ban long try khendau tende ban pom ding ban pom si hagi tu kutlong besho. Bari kata la singla ban hadin ke jingelang in khot ke jingelang. Hadin jingelang yang penbut da jing tho ba syai bandeng lang in refer lang ya ki different act and rules juga disungsil nang bala da ki violate e kata kinhap haka jing pensikam namar ngaji ima kalong ba kan sapoi ka por ba idon ki pipe tenrei undon putlang
Habadawa na kasorkar ban maramot ya kasurok na nongpo den Shasunapur, ikong bindas ibadai na maulong nong tulu Haribhoy district. Henagasngi ilasdang ya kecing syatngan habandayap hakmat ka office secretariat Shillong. Ikong bindas ilashim ya karay ban persya igajing bom sitnyo jong kasorkar ban maramot ya kasurok bat gajing kular tok jong ki MLA kathan.
Kalian jong ngala naduka khatsau dari jong banainya ngala dia ban misha kan media naga banta kijungi kita ki than ki dong ki basa sa tay baro ngala penting ngala ngala mi hero hagi hapo ki video ki sero ngala ni adin mangala yo yo kan shiti na bis de ngala le hamte yo yo kan shai ka ba ikna kata-kata ko ba dang bitar susu yang pangasim no ya kene karai pansim ya kene ka senjam ban one shot dengan klaim da bukor
Ukartong jangka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA uba Robert Chun Kharjarin ula pediang ya gejing syarem ha ke election Lok Sabha. Habakren shekinong pathai kubor uba Robert Jun ula ong bakinong yalam jangka UDP bat HSPDP kila pediang ya karai jong ba. Ula ai kubleiru ya MP batamai jangka Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon bat ula ai kejingket bok ket riang ya u.
Kadau ka di jonga hi ngan sim ya kata jingkit klik am kwa ban kadau ti no no am kwa ban khano no gi ngayu i ba kana ka liang jongka UDP bat HSPDP kila tristom ngayu i dal gi jong khamat nri komboong ka ha ka sunsar khadar pajba ki de ki nong jit ki pajba ki de ki nong rai
Professor Lakhon Kma ubadai ukartong shimet hak election Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ulaong ba kajing syarem jeng u kadai na kadaw ba uyakun kum ukartong shimet klem yadon benta bat kanu kaseng. Ulaban syusyu ba wat hapedeng kajing syarem unom kanrandin Henry unjai beteng banyakun na kabenta kipat ba jong gejela. Ulapha e kajing ai kublei ya u MP batamai ke Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon bat ukarmen banyatai halor kimat bakentop ya kanehu ha Parliament.
Yeah, I mean, being first time, because I'm told by many, and of course I have also seen over the decades, maybe, generally an independent candidate don't go beyond 4,000 or 5,000 votes, particularly, even if he is a repeated contestant, For me, being first time, because I've never fought an election, I think the numbers that I got is encouraging. Naturally, it cannot be satisfactory because I can only pray for him, and I wish that he really delivers because getting elected is one thing, delivering is another important aspect.
Uwe ubriu ubala suba kum unong khayidrok ula syakem daga seng samla shnong maurap hakapur khandai bejemen miet hakashnong maurap kabajingai khatsan kilometer na maukarwat Southwest Khasi Hills District. La itu ya kum dibarlan khar masulman na nongstoin ha West Khasi Hills District. La kem yu kat ba udang lech hakashnong mau tangden na kamet chung la yo kurup yakidrok bat kapisa bat hadien kibor penyat shnong kila IT yu syaki pulet ka mau karwat police station. Katanat puli puthi jongka sarkar India hakajingya trailang bat ka National Education Policy arhajar arpo kila penlong ya ka samakam na kabenta ki khana school hakari baro kawai na du ka santarik hadu ka khadar tarik menta ubenai hakani ka gam anya kren halor ka phang pedeng Eco Club for Mission Life hakabaya dei bat kani ka office jong state project director SEMAM SSA kala penlong ya ka samakam bahnyau sngi ha West China Hills kani ka kam kan phaikhmat ban hikai ki khana bakin long kinong song ki badon ka jingit khli da ka ba bancur halor ka jing penne bat yada ya kamariang. Lasdang ya ka district level inter-school subroto kop arhajar arposau has students feel kabadon ha ampati Southwest Karu Hills. Hakani gelempung kandan kejinya kun hapadeng ki khana school bahapo khatsan snem bat khat nyau snem na kabenta ki shinrang bat ya ki kenthai bahapo khat nyau snem. Bat la penlong ya kani gelempung da ka office jong u district sports officer Southwest Karu Hills ampati. Hadu lai pupratali ki kenhun kilaya shimbenta ha uni usnem Bad kiba chomp na ka district level kin yo ban mi khmat ya ka Southwest Karu Hills ha ka state level subroto kop ban ya khun ya ki ken huan kiba job na ki wei pat ki district. Mentapat ngin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sin beneng ha Shillong. Kaching shit kalong arposau point pra degree Celsius bat kaching kriat kalong kan riu point r degree Celsius kaching singam ka hau kalong praposan na ka shispa men step bat nyopo a na ka shispa janmin kaching hap slap kalong sun point nyo millimeter kandon kaching hap slap harangkat kaching tiet uperthat habun kijaka Shwaban poi syakabakut jong katup kubor yin ya pet biang sashisin yakimat bakongsan Anya shimbenta ki nong yalam chungkiri ba marjan haga jingshim smai u Narendra Modi kum menteri rang badu kari. Antrai UMP batmai ketura usaleng sangma ban weng ye kejing dunakam haga jela. Banjur u he ke NPP u konrad sangma halor kejing dan kam ban phaidien haga jing bomla ban lebha jong kaseng haga election Lok Sabha. An penlong jingalang ke KHEDC rengkat bat kinong dan benta banyatai halor kecing terkong kita long Bat rai kalong kemi na ribhoy ban syat ngan haban dayap hasilong bandawa maramot ya kesurong. Te parlong katungila poisya ka bakut jong katup kubor jingi menta gajan mit hadu bangin daya syembiang bat pila syai kesni kublaya pi baro.
BJP President JP Nadda holds high-level meeting with various union ministers and senior party leaders. Notification